Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly empowering, the energy that makes relationships flourish and the qualities that naturally draw love towards us. It's something that flows quietly but powerfully from within. Feminine energy. So, what exactly is feminine energy? It's that soft yet powerful force that doesn't need to force anything to happen. It's natural, intuitive, and it's about embracing what comes from within, whether that's caring for others, creating beauty, or simply being present in the moment. It's not about being perfect, it's about embracing who you are and allowing your inner strength to flow naturally. Think about something as simple as cooking. It's easy to overlook, but cooking with love can transform a simple meal into something special. It's not about the recipe or the ingredients, it's about the energy you bring to it. When a meal is made with joy and care, it nourishes not just the body, but the soul. On the other hand, when it's made with frustration or resentment, even the most delicious food can feel flat. The key here is the energy you bring to whatever you do, whether it's making a meal, taking care of a home, or interacting with others. If your energy is full of love and care, that's what people will feel, and that's what makes everything you do so special. In our world, masculine traits like ambition and financial success are often praised, while feminine qualities like nurturing, emotional intelligence, and care are sometimes undervalued. But the truth is, these nurturing qualities are essential. The energy a woman brings into her home, her relationships, and her community creates stability, support, and love. These are the things that truly shape our world. Raising a child, offering love and support, creating a warm and welcoming space, these roles are not small. They're deeply impactful, shaping the future one small act at a time. Women's bodies are designed to flow with cycles, and within each cycle, different energies come to the surface. It's essential to honor these cycles and understand that each phase of life offers unique opportunities for growth, reflection, and connection. When women embrace these natural cycles, they tap into a powerful source of energy that fuels everything they do. Rather than feeling disconnected from their own bodies, they can understand and appreciate the rhythm that guides them. This awareness allows them to be more aligned with their true selves. True feminine energy isn't about perfection, it's about connection, to yourself, to your body, and to others. It's about allowing emotions to flow naturally, without shame, without fear. When we suppress our emotions, they become stagnant, and that's when we start to feel disconnected. But when we allow ourselves to feel, to express, and to release, those emotions become a powerful tool for growth. Emotions aren't weaknesses, they're guides, and when we honor them, they lead us to our truest selves. In relationships, feminine energy is about balance. It's not about clinging to someone or losing yourself in the process of loving them. It's about maintaining your identity while offering love and care in a way that nurtures both you and your partner. Healthy relationships thrive when both partners are able to maintain their sense of self while being fully present for each other. Love becomes a gift when it's given freely, without expectations or loss of personal boundaries. A woman who truly embraces her feminine energy doesn't need to chase love. She doesn't need to prove her worth through actions or try to force a connection. When you embrace your energy and know your worth, love naturally comes to you. You don't need to manipulate or compete for it. You simply offer what you have to give and trust that the right love will find its way to you. So, to wrap up, it's important to stay grounded in who you are, to honor your energy, and to maintain your sense of self, especially in relationships. Don't lose yourself in the pursuit of love or approval. Take time for yourself, continue to grow, and continue to honor your feminine power. When you do this, you create space for love to flow freely, and that's when you become magnetic, naturally drawing the right people into your life. Thank you for being here. If this message resonated with you, feel free to subscribe and stick around for more insights and stories like this one. Let's continue embracing our true selves together.